Okay, hopefully this wasn't too difficult. You use the text color attribute. Now just as a little bit of a reminder of what this value is, we use @Android:color to get access to the standard Android colors, and then /white specifies that we're looking to use Android's white color. Really, there aren't a lot of standard Android options. If you want a specific color, it's a lot easier to use a hex code like we talked about in the lesson. A good resource for hex codes is the Material Design Color webpage from the Android developer website. That webpage is linked in the instructor notes if you'd like to take a look at it. But enough about color, we're using Android's white, and let's go over to Android Studio to take a look at what that looks like. Alright, we're back at our trusty old activity main.xml, and you're probably used to adding attributes right now, so I'm going to just go ahead and start typing in the Happy Birthday Ben text view. Again, the attribute I'm using is text color. Alright, and the dropdown actually gives me some options. It's @Android, then color, /white. And almost immediately my preview updates and it's white, so it's kind of hard to see. But again, that's what we wanted it to do. Alright, let's do the same thing to the other text view. I'm going to click here. Android text color is equal to quotations, important quotations, @Android:/color. And once I'm finished typing this, I can see that, well, this text view disappears as well. Again, expected because it's a white text on a white background. But I can see from the view outline, here and here, that the text does in fact still exist. And for the sake of thoroughness, let's go ahead and run it on our phones. Okay, now those of you viewing at home might find it a little bit hard to see, but I can just barely see my white text on my light gray background. So looks like we did a good job. That's one more off our list. Let's move on to the next step.